Hi, I am Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is PN junction diode. So, what is PN junction diode? PN junction diode is the most commonly used semiconductor device. So, as the name says, PN junction diode is the interface of P-type semiconductor material and N-type semiconductor material. P-type is doped with trivalent impurity and the majority carriers are holes, and N-type is doped with pentavalent impurity and the majority carrier is electrons. So very useful property of PN junction diode is it allows electrons to flow in only one direction, and thus current flows only in one direction. In other direction, it does not allow current to flow. It is made up of semiconductor materials like silicon, germanium and gallium arsenide. So this is the symbol of PN junction diode. The name diode means di is two and odes a short form of electrodes. So the two electrodes are cathode and anode. Anode is positive terminal represented as A and cathode is a negative terminal represented as K. So next we'll see what is depletion region. So when P-type and N-type semiconductor are joined, the holes and the electrons flow from higher concentration area to lower concentration area. So this is because of the attraction towards the opposite charges. So the majority carrier in the N-type is electrons, which diffuses into P-type region, and the holes, which is the majority carrier in the P-type material, diffuses into the N-type material. This forms the depletion region in the junction. Depletion means decrease in quantity of something. So next we'll see about the working of PN junction diode. So some of the holes from P region move to N region, and some of the electrons from N region move to the P region. So ions are formed by losing or gaining electrons from other atoms. So the continuation. So negative ions are formed in P-type region near the junction, and positive ions are formed in the N-type region near the junction. Negative ions have more number of electrons than protons, and hence it is negatively charged. Positive ions have more number of protons than electrons, hence it is positively charged. These charges formed in the junction are immobile. This forms like the barrier at the junction and does not allow free electrons or holes from moving to the other side. Next we'll see about the forward bias. So bias refers to the voltage or current applied to the terminals. In the forward bias, the positive terminal is connected to the P-type and the negative terminal is connected to the N-type material. The value of the potential barrier of the depletion region for silicon is 0.7 volt and for germanium is 0.3 volt. When the applied external voltage is more than the potential barrier value, the free electrons and holes gets the extra energy to cross the depletion region, and thus the depletion region decreases in size and the current starts to flow. Next is reverse bias. In the reverse bias, negative terminal is connected to the P-type and positive terminal is connected to the N-type. So the negatively charged electrons are attracted towards the P-type and positively charged holes move to the N-type, and thus the size of the depletion increases. Thus the potential barrier across the junction does not allow the current to flow. Next we'll see about the VI characteristics. The current is taken in the y-axis and the voltage is taken in the x-axis. So this is the voltage applied. So when the diode is forward biased, when the external applied voltage is increased and when it crosses the value of the potential barrier, the current starts to increase steadily, as we see here. So when the diode is reverse biased, only small current flows first. So as the applied voltage increases at a point, it causes breakdown here. This is the breakdown voltage at the junction, which is permanent breakdown resulting in the sudden increase in the current. So the advantages are, it is smaller in size and lightweight, it is very cheap, it consumes less power and operates with low voltage source, it operates very fast, it has long life. Disadvantages are, very small current flows in the reverse bias condition. At high frequencies, noise level is high, it cannot withstand large reverse current. Applications are, it is used as photodiode, it is used in solar cell, it is used in LED lighting applications, it is used as switch in electronic circuits. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.